Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is measured lengths, lesson number 10.6, page 429. Okay, guys, do you remember when I brought a measuring tape to the school and I measured the height of each one of you? I measured it in inches, right? But actually, my results was not exact. Why? Because some of you were more than inch or less than inch. Of course, like if it's 25, or sorry, 52, it can be 52 and a half or 52 and a fourth. But I measured you to the nearest inch. Okay, but here, guys, we're gonna learn how to measure things to the nearest half or to the nearest fourth. How? If I have a ruler like this one here, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. If you noticed, guys, we have a tall dash between each 2 inches. Like between 0 and 1, I have a tall one here. It's a half. And if here also half and here also half. Why? Because it's exactly in the middle between 2 and 3, between 1 and 2, between 0 and 1. So it's half. So when I'm actually measuring the glue stick here and I want to measure it, it's between what and what first? It's between 2 and 3. When I measure the things, I put like the starting point is 0, so I have to put the glue stick, the starting point for the glue stick, I have to put it on the 0, exactly on the 0. And let's see its ends where? It ends between 2 and 3, right? The mark that is close to the right end of the glue stick is for what inch? Okay, guys, what is the closest mark to the glue? It's here, right? And what is this mark? It's half an inch. So I have what here? It's 2.5 inch. It's 2.5 inch. Okay, let's check this one. He wants me to measure the paper clip to the nearest fourth inch. Look, guys, I told you the tall mark here, it's half, right? But how about this one and this one? Okay, let's explain it here. Between 2 and 3, I can say fourth and a fourth and a fourth, right? This is fourth, fourth, fourth. But actually, fourth and fourth are two fourths and three fourths, or three quarters, guys. But here we're gonna call it fourth. So if I have here half, here fourth, and here three fourths. Here he wants me to measure the paper clip to the nearest fourth inch. First, guys, the starting is our 0. And it ends where? It ends between what and what? 1 and 2. Okay, the marker that is close to the right end of the paper clip is for what inch? This mark that I have here, it's what? Is it half? No. Is it fourth? No. It's what? It's 3/4. So the length of the paper clip is 1 and 3/4. Why I didn't choose 2? Because I didn't reach 2. So it's 1 and 3/4. Okay, guys, we will move on to the next page. Here he wants me to make a line plot to show measurement data. How I'm gonna do it? I need an inch ruler and 10 crayons. Okay, measure the length of 10 crayons to the nearest half inch. Complete the line plot, draw X for each length. Okay guys, I measured 10 crayons that I have. How I did it? I brought my ruler, and for example, if I have a pencil, sorry, a crayon, I start with 0. So I have the crayon here, okay, and I saw it ends where. So if it ends here, so it's 2.5, okay, 2.5 inch, and so on. First one is 3.5, okay, and I will cross it. Second one is 2.5, so I will make X on top of 2.5 and I will cross it. Third one is 3, so I will make X and I will cross it. I have again 3.5, another X, and I will cross it. 3. Guys, do you remember line plot? We took it before. 2.5, and I have, and I will cross it. 2, and I will cross it. I have 1.4, it's tall. Okay, and I have 3.5, and I will cross it, and that the last one is 3. If you noticed guys, all of my crayons were 2 inches or more than 2 inches. Why? Because if it's smaller than that, actually I used to throw it away because it will be super small. How I'm gonna use it? Okay? Okay guys, here he wants me to measure the length of your fingers to the nearest fourth inches. Complete the line plot, draw an X for each length. Okay, I measured only one hand, guys. My first one, the smallest one, is 1 3/4. So here it is. I'm gonna make an X and I will cross it. Actually, I need you to measure your own fingers and make your own line plot. It will be fun actually. And the second one is 2 1/4. So I will make an X and I will cross it. Third one is 2 3/4, and I will cross it. Fourth is 2 1/4, and I will cross it. And last one is 2. Okay, here guys, measure the length to the nearest half inch. Is the key close to 1.5 inch or 2 inch or 2.5 inch? Let's see. Guys, I need you to use your ruler, like mine here. How, sorry, how I'm gonna measure it? Look, I'm gonna put 0 at the beginning, and I will see it ends where. It ends where, guys? It ends on 2, so it's nearest to what? 2 inches. Okay guys, we will move on to the next page. He wants me to measure the length to the nearest fourth inch. Okay guys, my ruler is a little bit different about than the ruler that we have in the first page that we solved. Okay, but I'm gonna try to make it clear. Okay, it's more than 5, so I'm gonna write 5 at the beginning. Okay, half is here, so it's fourth or 3/4. It's only fourth. Okay,